2004 F-150. Let me get right to it. The owners put a transmission inside this vehicle, and then they had a lot of electrical codes. And what we can see here, right up in the top, see if I can get that. I don't know. There it is. They pinched the wires. That's the harness. We took the boat out here, and Billy got the transmission back just a little here. We thought we were gonna have to take it out. He got it back just a little. Those are the wires right there. They pinched those wires right here. That bolt is out. He took his pry bar right here, got it up, and going to try to take the whole harness up through the front to repair those wires on this transmission. Again, they put this trans in and came up with a lot of electrical codes because the wires were pinched between the cases, which means they were grounded. Hopefully no fuses were blown on this, but we will see. It's Billy doing his work.
Yep. You want to pull it if I didn't have to.
Huh?
You want to pull it if I didn't have to.
Let me see if I can get this. He putting the bolt back in. Yeah. All right. Okay. We're going with this Ford truck here, and this is the one where they have the wires, and we've got the wires out here, and here are the damaged wires. See, these are damaged. You can see here, damaged here. These are cutting. This is where they pinched them in the transmission, taking it apart. Putting it together, yes. Billy corrected me. So when you see stuff like this, you may want to cut these two and put them together because they could be messed up. So you got some wires here, you got these wires there. So I'm gonna fix this and then put it back together. All right, here's the wire harness that is been pulled out. It's been taped up pretty good, put in wire loom. We're going to take that harness and pull it back through the transmission and bolt everything back up and then see what happens. Okay, we're back with this green Ford F-150, and we fixed the wiring, but I think he got another problem. Billy over there, who's looked like he's asleep, is going to put it in gear and let it run. We're going to see what the computer says. All right, go ahead. First gear, second gear. Okay, stop. Okay, let's go again. Shift solenoid 1 and 2 are moving. 1, 2, 3. Go higher. showing that the computer is commanding the shift solenoids now, which means that something has to be in the transmission going bad. Okay, stop. Okay, or it has to be bad in the transmission. Okay, go up a little more. 1, 2, 3. Okay, go ahead, stop. So what happened was the customer put a transmission in here and smashed the wires in between the trans and the engine. Now after we fix the wires, the transmission don't shift, which means that perhaps they put in a bad transmission. Okay, so I have to make sure this is seen so they will know. And we don't have any codes. Let me go here. Back. Let's read codes. The only codes was a gear ratio code. Let's see if it came back up. It was a 732. Is the overdrive light flashing on there? Okay, it's not showing, but it was a 732 that came up when we took it for a test drive. Okay.